Hey, how you doing? Um, so just to give an overview, the idea was to go over the assets and repair program. So what is needed? So this is the main aspect. What is needed and the supported documents. So in terms of the business plan, this was the main thing, and also the application form. So the idea is when preparing a business plan, you start by preparing questions based on what you see they're asking. You take a notes or PowerPoint program and make bullet points. These bullet points you would use for interview to interview me, for example, to get the information needed to develop a business plan. Also for the form. So that would be your first step. Then from there, in terms of the supporting documents, you will um, align with me and see that I've provided all of those documents. The other stuff, the financial stuff, will be provided already from me. And then you would then, once we prepare everything, then I will have it formatted and then it will be submitted. And then this organization would be asking questions, example. So this is a step-by-step process. I don't know if you have any more questions. The idea again was to read the information for the assets and repair program, read the requirements and conditions. The main aspect is for us to develop the business plan for to submit for this funding program. Also review the application form. Janina, my colleague, she went through it already. So that's why I was hoping you guys have went through it. And then if you had questions, you could have asked the specific questions. So just to recap, so you would go over the business plan and make notes of all of the different points that they want. Also for the application form, if anything that is not covered in the business plan, so you make points, you send those points to me. Also, we have some certain things that you would need to interview me with. You would then do that. So this is a step-by-step process.